Okay, so I just received a package that I've been waiting for more than almost 2 weeks now. So it just arrived today, and let's see what's inside. So this is what the one that I just received today. It's quite big. So it's from Dell actually. Okay. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's inside this box. Maybe you have some idea. You guys have some idea what's inside this box. It's a Dell product. So that's it. So I am being careful because this box came from the postal service, so I have to make sure that uh, I'm not contaminated with some kind of virus. So I just wash my hand with sanitizer before I'm going to take what's inside this box. Okay, so what's inside the box? First is we have this obviously it's a power cable. Yeah. And then wow, that's huge. Look at that. The power supply is so big. Looks like this is the biggest power supply, mobile power supply that I've seen so far. So what's inside? So that's it, and let's see what's this document is all about. It's about it's a Dell G7 15. Oh, now you have an idea what kind of gadget it is this. Obviously it's a laptop. So this is my first laptop. I mean first kind of this laptop. This is a I have a laptop, of course, a couple of them, but this is totally different. This is a different kind of laptop. So right now it's nothing inside the box. That's all we've got. The power supply in this one. So I'm going to set this aside because we're done with it, and put it there. And I'll put it on the table so we can easily take a look at it on some more detail. Okay, so this is the gadget that comes from this box. So it's everything now is empty. So now I got this computer. It's a Dell laptop. let's see what's. So it's the ventilation is really nice. This is the reason why I get this laptop. It's because of this. They have a very substantial exhaust, which make it a bit good for removing the heat. Because usually for a laptop, since it's very thin, it doesn't have much space to remove the heat inside. Unlike when you are using a desktop, there's a lot of space wherein they can put big fan to remove the heat that is building inside the computer. But for laptop like this, it's very thin, so they have to build a very strong fan, electric fan inside. So usually this is basically a gaming this is a gaming laptop. This is not an ordinary laptop. So that's the main reason I got this laptop. Okay, so I already plugged this laptop to its power supply. So right here, so as you can see, it's there's a light that is coming from this, indicating that this is there's a power from here. So I'm going to connect it. This is the first time that I'm going to connect this one to my laptop, and this one is already set up. I just did some basic setup on the laptop. So basically that's it. So for the next couple of days I will be testing this laptop, and that will be for another next review. Thanks for watching, and for watching this unboxing of this laptop that I just received today. And I will be posting another video about how this new laptop is performing compared with my other laptops. Thank you guys for watching, and until my next review.